Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today I'm gonna show you how to unblock device ID on Snapchat. Do you see this notice when you try to log in your account on Snapchat? I will show you how to access your account. So first, open your Safari and search for this link. Then scroll all the way down until you see the Snapchat app. And then install it. Once you're done, tap on Allow, then Close. Now, you have to go to your device settings, then search for VPN. Tap on VPN and Device Management. Then tap on Snapchat Plus. Click Install, then enter your passcode. Click Next. Tap Install and tap again to confirm. Click Done, and now you can log in and access your account using the Snapchat Plus app. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.